Hey everybody. So I was just about to hop on the treadmill and I heard the infamous doorbell ring in the evening, which generally at our house means UPS or FedEx is dropping something off and running. And I happen to know that I had a pair of wheels coming in today, so we're going to do a quick unboxing video and then I'm going to hop on the treadmill because I'm old and fat. So today we've got a pair of, you guessed it, Porsche 356 wheels. I can't remember what they are. I know I say that every video. Yeah, I can't remember if they're, yeah, I really can't remember. I ordered them, I got them on eBay. They were buy it now for 400 or bid for 100. So I bid for 100 and there was only one other watcher. So I waited right up to the last minute. I increased my bid to 200 and sure enough picked them up for 100 bucks. Plus $80 shipping and some tax, which I'm still trying to figure out how buying something from Minnesota online charged me New Mexico gross receipts tax, but whatever. Under 200 bucks for a pair of vintage Porsche 356 wheels. So we'll get started. All right, so I'm going to break out the trusty X-Acto knife or whatever the heck this thing is. Nice little utility knife. We're going to get started here on this unboxing of wheel number one. If I remember right, these are, I think, 1963 date coded. We'll see when we get them open. So the story on these is the seller, his dad is an old Porsche collector, and he's selling off his collection of Porsche parts. Wow, these are well boxed. It's kind of funny, they're in inky wheels boxes. They are not inkies. All right, so looking pretty good so far. Dun, 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 dun. All right, let me ditch this box here real quick and let's do some assessment. All right, so first check, they are real. All right, so you've got the indentation there. They're KPZs from January of '63. Looks like it's got a little bit of peelage here by the valve stem. Not too concerned about that. They haven't sat with water in them, which is nice. So there's no corrosion in here. Not too bad. You can always see some corrosion sitting around a valve stem because that's where the condensation starts from the water vapor in the air that you're putting in it. Looking good on the inside. All right, so wheel number one, I'd say for, including shipping and everything, I've got 90 bucks in this wheel. I'd say that's well worth the investment. All right, on to wheel number two. I'll tell you what, it's a good thing my wife doesn't subscribe to my channel because then she would know everything I buy. So this is late Christmas, early birthday for me. So happy birthday, Christmas to me. Again, well packed. And if I recall, these were date matched. Wow, this is a good looking wheel. All right, let's get this up out of here, get rid of the box. Wow. Okay, again, it's real. It's got the indentation there. These have been painted over, bitted as a KPZ, and again from January 1963. I could not be happier. My goodness, this is the kind of, I'm all for true aging and weathering and patina and whatnot, but I'll tell you what, if I had a 1963 vintage Porsche 356, I would be proud to roll these exactly as is. All right, so that's going to do it. Again, less than 200 bucks. You just have to be on it, watching, and throw a bid out there or watch. And there's a guy out of, I think, Florida somewhere who's got a bunch of them on eBay listed at really high dollar prices. You don't have to play that game. You follow, and you'll find some good deals every once in a while. So I think I really scored on these. A pair of vintage KPZ, so chrome prints, Porsche 356 wheels, 4.5 inch by 15. Again, they're in fantastic condition for their age, and I couldn't be happier. So like, subscribe, and hit that notify bell so you get that annoying ding every time we post new content. Thanks again from New Mexico Desert Classic, signing off.